Good morning, my beautiful people. How you guys doing? What's up? Today is another day to learn. So today I'll be putting us through on how to take away unwanted background from your video. Now, a lot of people keep telling me that each time they try to remove um, the original background that came with their video, at the end of the day, they find out that some part of the background is still in the video. But today I will be showing us how to remove or how to take away the original background of your video and insert the one you want to use. So this video today is all about how to remove background from your video. Now, a lot of people are also asking, where can I get background? Now, if you are one of those people that wants to know where you can get background, you can go to either Google or you can go to Chrome. You search for plain background. So when you search for plain background, you will see them. You can go ahead to select or download any one you want. So in this video, I'll be teaching us how to remove background from our videos. So without waste of time, before then, please, I want you to click on the notification bell. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Emperor Udo Tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel and try as much as you can to watch, to subscribe, comment, and share any video you come across in this channel. So if you have watched this far, congratulations to you because you will learn something today. So without waste of time, grab your popcorn. Let's dive into the cook of today. So once again, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go straight to the business of today. So we are doing this tutorial using CapCut. So click on your CapCut. Please, if you don't have CapCut, go straight to your Play Store, search for CapCut, and then download it. Make sure you have CapCut because with CapCut you will be able to get the um the the great experience of video editing. So when it has finished loading, you click on new project. Now when you click on new project, it will take you directly to your gallery, so you can choose the video you want to remove the background. So let me take this one. Should I take, let me look for the one that will be okay. Let me use that one rather. So I have selected this one and then I add it up. Now you see. Okay, so after you have added up, now first of all, there is something I want us to do. Before bringing in your video, please don't make this mistake. Before bringing in your video, the background you want to use, the background you want to use for that video, the background you want to use for that video, first of all, bring the background into CapCut first before you bring in the video. Now, I just made the mistake now. So that is why I'm telling you, so you don't make such mistake. But for me now, I am very good at all these things. So I will find my way around and bring in the background I want to use. Now, should in case you make such a mistake like this, what you just need to do is to highlight the video. You click on it to be highlighted, then you move straight. You move straight. You see where they write replace. Look at it, replace. What you just need to do is to click on it. When you click on replace, it will take you straight to your gallery. It will take you straight to your gallery. So now, the background I want to use in my video is a photo background. So I will click on photo. So let me go and search for the background I want to use for my video. Let me search for the background. So I want to use this background. So this is the background I want to use for my video. Now, after you have finished bringing in your background, the next thing you need to do is to click on overlay. The essence of this overlay is to bring in the video you want to change the background into. So you click on video. So you select the video you want to change the background into. For me, I want to use this video. So when you select it, you click on add. Now you see the video is here now. Now, how can we remove this background? You don't need to panic. You don't need to stress. You don't need to think. You don't need to crack your head. What you just need to do is to highlight the video. Okay, mine now is already highlighted. The next thing, you scroll to your left. You continue going, scroll to your left. You will see remove BG, which means remove background. So what you just need to do is to click on it. So now when you click on it, you will see auto remover, you will see custom remover, and you will see chroma key. So in some other video, I'll teach us the usefulness of these keys. But for today, we'll be using auto remover. So you click on auto remover. Now you see that the background which I use, the original background of this video, is out, leaving the background I want to use. So you just allow it to load. As you can see, it's loading. So you allow it to load. So it will take few minutes depending on how long your video is. If your video is 5 minutes, it will not take that long to load. But if your video is from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 upward, it will take a little while before it finish loading. So just stay patiently, just stay and wait. Just stay and wait. Don't forget, patience is the key. So while we are waiting for it to finish downloading, let me use this opportunity to let you know that I'll be uploading wonderful video editing tips on this platform. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and any video you come across on this channel, please do well to like, comment, and share. So it has finished loading. So you click on the good sign here. Now you see, but if you look very well, you'll notice that the video is not properly placed on the background. So what you need to do now is to move the video to be properly placed. Now you see the video is properly placed on the background. As you can see, it's properly placed on the background. Yes. So the reason why I'm scrolling this way is because sometimes when you bring in the background you want to use, because it is because the background is a photo, sometimes it will be short. So I am moving like this to see if the background is the same length with my video. So I am checking if the background have the same length with my video, or else I will just have to drag the background to align it with my video length. So is the same length, is the same length, is the same length. So now you see the former background or the original background of this video has been taken away. So now the video is on a new background, and I love this background so much. I love the background so much. So guys, this is how you can remove your unwanted background from your video. Any background you know you don't like, you can remove it. So I told us earlier how we can get background. If you don't know how to get background, or you are looking for a way to get background, you can go to Chrome, you search for plain background, you will see them, they will come out, and then you select or you download the one you want to use. So guys, as we can see, the background has been taken away, and now the video is on a new background. As we can see, this is perfect. It's perfect. It's very, very perfect. Please, if you notice something, as I am scrolling, the former background is trying to show itself, but the reason is because my data is not on. So while you are doing this, make sure you on your data. I can't even on my data now because I am screen recording. If I try to scroll down, the it will cut. So please, when you are editing, make sure your data is on so that you can get the best experience of your video, So as you can see, you see it's very okay. You can even adjust, you can adjust it to wherever you want. You can adjust anyhow you want to do it, you can do it to get the best experience you want. So as you can see, look at it, the background has been taken away, the former background has been taken away, and the background the video is on now is a new background. So guys, this is how to take away unwanted background from your videos. Please, if this video help you, if you find this video helpful, please do well to share this video to other people so they can watch and learn. Don't forget to like, comment, and the most important thing, for you to get more updates, more helpful tips from me, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Emperor Udo Tutorial, so that you can be able to get notified when I upload new videos. So now you see everything is okay. Everything is okay. The former background has been taken away. So that is it. So in other video, I'll also teach us how to extract sound, how to bring in sound to your video, like all these funny sounds, all these funny laughs and the rest. So I will teach us, that will be in some other video, because I don't want this video to be long. So in some other video, I will teach us how to bring in sounds like that to your video. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Emperor Udo Tutorial. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.